Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable shortcuts on your iPhone. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on general here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down. You click here on keyboard, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you come here to shortcut, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's main shortcut disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.